Good night. So, tonight, we are going to answer number 15 in the past bar exam 2024. So here, the local government code allocated shares in revenue collection to local government units, LGUs, in the following manner. 23% for the provinces, 23% for the cities, 34% for the municipalities, and 20% for the barangays. In 2023, the proposed General Appropriations Act GAA provided a different distribution scheme of revenue collections to LGUs to with 25% for the provinces, 25% for the cities, 35% for the municipalities, and 15% for the barangay. Congressman Maki assailed the constitutionality of the item in the proposed GAA. The House of Representatives Budget Committee countered that it is within the power of Congress to enact laws to increase or decrease the just share of the LGU in the revenue. Is the new distribution scheme in the proposed GAA loophole explained? So that's the question number 15. So if you have the answer in mind, then uh, let's continue. The answer, yes, the new distribution scheme is the proposed GAA. In the proposed GAA is local. A basic feature of local fiscal autonomy is the automatic release of the shares of LGUs in the national internal revenue. This is mandated by no less than the Constitution. Section 6, Article 10. The Local Government Code, Section 286A, specifies further that the release shall be made directly to the LGU concerned within 5 days after every quarter of the year and shall not be subject to any lien or holdback that may be imposed by the national government for whatever purpose. Further, the local government units are more familiar with their basic needs than the national government. Hence, the Constitution guarantees their autonomy to become self-reliant communities and partners in national development. Autonomy, however, does not mean complete independence from the national government, since the Philippines is characterized as a unitary state. The local governments are authorized to perform some function in order to attain the objectives of development. Furthermore, fiscal autonomy means that the local governments have the power to create their own sources of revenue in addition to their equitable share in the national taxes released by the national government well as the power to allocate their resources in accordance with their own priorities. It extends to the preparation of their budget, and local officials in turn have to work within the constraints thereof. In same light, transfer of funds from one department to another is prohibited by the Constitution. A law passed to that effect is not valid. The President, the Senate President, Speaker, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, the heads of the constitutional commissions may be authorized by law to augment any item in general appropriation from savings. Since the transfer is in the same structure of Congress, this can be done. Source: the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines compiled and edited by RBSI editorial staff and Ernesto C. Salau, LLB, supervising editor and political law, reviewer by Judge Albano Sr., deceased. So that's it. That's the answer for suggested answer for the number 15 question in the past bar exam. So I hope and pray that you have the same answer or we don't have any decent with this answer. Thank you. Good day. Good night and God bless.